Life is beautiful, and so are you. It said, intelligence is the ability to adapt to change. Did you know that there was actually a time when there were no computers around? Today, your smartphone is a million times more powerful than all the combined computing systems that NASA used back in 1969. The smartphone that you're holding has way more technologically advanced capabilities than the Apollo rocket that went to space. Yet, despite the advanced technology that we have today, most persons are only using this technology to send photos on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. The first computers were made in 1945 and looked nothing like the ones that we have today. They were very large and very expensive that only large companies could afford them. The microcomputers that we use today were made in the 1970s. That's 30 years after the first computer was built. Imagine going from those huge computers to micro and mini computers that can actually print three-dimensional objects. Yes, 3D. Having a miniature scale printing right before your eyes, all in the comfort of your home. Technology has certainly advanced, and oftentimes we don't advance with that technology. And that right there is inefficient. And production is expensive. 3D printing is a state-of-the-art technology that uses computer-aided design to create almost anything that you can imagine. 3D printing has transformed the way how individuals and firms conduct business and have opened doors to future application and opportunities. A 3D printer is a machine that creates a physical object from a three-dimensional model that uses a process called additive manufacturing. This cutting-edge technology has evolved from printing on paper to printing objects using material like plastics, clay, and metal. 3D technology is much faster, efficient, and accurate in designing outputs and is fully available in layers that are built with liquid polymer gel or resin for personal use in business. 3D printers can print objects such as prosthetics, eyewear, toys, auto, and more. 3D printing allows you to design and print your own dream home and custom designed car. NASA astronauts print their food in space. My friend Maria's grandfather prints his fruits and vegetables that makes it much softer and manageable to eat. You can even print your own medications. Another friend of mine who is a doctor, she prints all her children vitamins, and they even print their own toys. At 8 months pregnant, I did a 3D model of my daughter's ultrasound using a software called Biostructure. Wow, she was and is the most gorgeous gift that I have ever seen and received in my entire life. To conclude, digital manufacturing saves time and is now affordable to create parts such as fictional prototypes like helicopters, molded patterns, and assembly fixtures. 3D printing products and services are accessible at www.tinkercad.com. That's TINKERCAD, and 3dhubs.com. Research reports that the 3D printing market is expected to reach 30 billion US dollars by 2022, growing at a rate at 28.5% between 2016 and 2022. My friends, change is inevitable, growth is optional. Remember, intelligence is the ability to adapt to change. 3D printing can be used to express your uniqueness, your creative designs and styles that we all have been longing to express. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Life is beautiful, and so are you.